Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a simple trading method that you can easily use. First of all, let me show you my account. This is my real account and you can see my current balance here. Now let's move to the chart. Here I have opened the EUR CAD currency pair and we will do trading on this pair. Now I will show you which indicators we will use. For that we will click on the indicators option. From here we will select zigzag indicator. This indicator will appear on the chart and help us understand the market movement. You will see this indicator below the chart. Now we will set the trade time. Here I am setting the time to 5 minutes. Next we will set the trade amount. Here I am placing a trade with $150. Now we will analyze the chart and place our trade. From here we can click the buy or sell button. Now we are going to place a buy trade. As you can see, our trade has been placed. Now we will wait for the result. Today we will learn how zigzag work in the market. Zigzag indicator helps us identify the real market trend. It removes small price movements and shows only important highs and lows, which makes the chart easier to understand. When the zigzag line moves upward, the market is in an uptrend, so we look for buy trades. When the zigzag line moves downward, the market is in a downtrend, so we look for sell trades. We use zigzag together with Bollinger Bands for better confirmation. If price touches the upper band and zigzag turns downward, we can look for a sell trade. If price touches the lower band and zigzag turns upward, we can look for a buy traded. As you can see, this trade was a clear win. It was taken on the EUR CAD pair, and the market moved perfectly in our favor. If we check the balance, we started with around 150, and now it has grown to approximately 288, which is a strong profit. And if you carefully at the chart, you'll notice that the signal stayed above the price and never crossed below. This was a clear confirmation of our trade direction. This is what we call proper analysis plus patience. Consistent profit. If you want more accurate signals like this, make sure to join my Telegram channel. The link is in description of my YouTube channel. Join the group, and if you're serious about earning upgrade to the VIP section for premium signals, better accurate and consistent results.